Hi, welcome back to Lenovo PC. Today I'm very excited to show you guys our latest product, Yoga Slim 7 Carbon 14-inch OLED. This is the world's loudest OLED laptop, accelerated with NVIDIA GeForce MX450 graphics. I have been using it for 1 week. It feels so light, easy to carry around without any burden, especially when I ride a bike over 4 miles from office to home every day with it in my backpack. It weighs 1.1 kilogram, pretty much 2 bottles of mineral water. So what makes it so light? Thanks to the second generation Web Core 2.0 multi-layer carbon fiber, it reduces weight up to 40%, and we have better durability. Lightweight comes with mighty power. AMD Ryzen 7 5000U mobile processor, Radeon graphics or GeForce MX450 graphics for your option. It's totally capable of working on some heavy-duty content creation. The other day, we tried to edit our new video. It just runs seamlessly, pretty fast to export the video in the end. Next, the display. I have to say I was shocked. I changed the wallpaper on 2 different laptops in comparison. Look how amazing it is. The color is bright and vivid. It just lines up your mood right away when you see it. The other laptop, same wallpaper, but it looks dull and a bit grayish-green. Big credits to the latest Samsung E4 OLED TrueBlack technology. It offers you rich color expression and excellent color contrast. Also, this is our first laptop with a color ambient light sensor. I used 2 different lights, cold and warm, separately to directly shoot the light to the display. The sensor monitors ambient brightness and light temperature to adjust colors of your display. You can see it will match the environment for more natural images. Next, let's move to the audio part. If you are a movie fan, also love the music, then you must know how important the audio-visual experience is. I just love how surreal it sounds. You feel like you are right in the place, in that moment, a 3-dimensional place where every little detail is on. Big thanks to the Dolby Atmos sound system. Enhanced with Smart AMP is up to 50% louder in a 2.2 speaker configuration system. Last, Lenovo AI Core, a total blast intelligent experience, flip to boot, zero-touch login, smart adaptive sensors, the list goes on. But what I love the most is the smart noise cancelling. It blocks out unwanted noise around you, so you can hear your voice clearly, sometimes in a loud environment. It works really well for online meeting, especially when your colleagues sit around you talking loud.
Hello guys, we are testing this noise cancelling new feature, and my colleague is watching some videos, so you can hear this environment is pretty loud, and you can't hear me very clearly with this environment mode. Hello guys, now we are testing noise cancelling feature, and it's private mode now. So the surrounding environment is quite loud, but because of this new feature, you can hear my voice more clearly.
That's all for today's first hands with the Yoga Slim 7 Carbon 14-inch. If you like this video, do take a moment to give us a big like and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!